Cost categories and cost centers. Now we will see how to create cost categories and how to create and maintain cost centers, either single or multiple, under the cost categories. Under accounts information, cost categories and cost centers are not displayed, and the options like groups, ledgers, voucher types are displayed. Now we have to display the cost categories and cost centers under the accounts information, so that we have to select features or press F11. Click on accounting features or press A key in keyboard. Here we have to give yes for maintain cost centers and more than one payroll or cost category. Press enter key and press escape key to get back. Now click on accounts information. Here we can see cost categories and cost centers option. Click on cost categories option. Then we will get single cost category and multiple cost category. Now I am creating single category, that is department, and press Y key. Like this we can create number of categories related to the companies. Now I am selecting multiple cost category to create categories under department. Here I am selecting all items. Here we have to select department or primary cost category. Now I am selecting department. Here we have to give cost center name. For example, marketing. Second one is sales. And third one is purchase. Like this we have three departments. Finally click on end of the list and press Y key. By using cost categories and cost centers, we have to know how to allocate while entering the vouchers. Now click on accounting vouchers. Suppose the transaction is salaries paid, and select payment voucher. Select cash account, and here I am selecting salaries, and the amount is 12,000 rupees. And here we have to give cost category, that is department, and cost center name is marketing, and the amount is 5,000 rupees. Next one is purchase department, 4,000 rupees, and remaining balance amount is 3,000 rupees for sales department. Now we can understand clearly that how the total salaries 12,000 rupees is allocated in department wise. Here we can see departments and its cost centers. In features, we have the option use predefined cost center allocations during entry. If we want to allocate the amounts for predefined cost centers, then we have to give yes. Cost center classes. Here we have to give class name, that is salaries, and press enter key. Here I am selecting department. Cost center is marketing, and we have to give percentage on total salaries, that is 30%. Next one is purchase department 40% and sales department is 30%. Like this we have to give predefined percentages for each department and press enter key and press escape key to get back. Here we have to give cost center class which we created. I am selecting salaries. Select cash account, salaries, and the amount is 8,000 rupees. Now it did not ask cost category and cost centers because we already allocate this salary amount for each department. If we want to see the amounts in department wise, then we have to go through display, daybook, and click on salaries. Here we can see the amount 8,000 rupees is automatically allocated to all the departments. Like this we can use cost categories and cost centers.